Hi kids, my mom just called me saying she's in trouble. She was supposed to pick my brother up from his judo class, but there's a huge traffic jam and she can't be on time. She's trying to talk to the teacher, but there's no line, no one's answering. And I am so far away, I won't be on time either. What could I do? What could I do? What could I do? What could I do to help them? I could call my dad and see if he can go. I could try with the website. Maybe there's someone connected. I could find a friend's mom or dad's Instagram and text them to see if they can talk to him. And I could even call the restaurant next to the judo place and tell them about it. I know that's maybe too much, but let's try all these options. Let's first call my dad. Hi, Dad. Yeah, Mom just told me that she can't go to pick Tom from his judo class. Could you go? Okay. Oh, no, he can't. So that option, not the good one. Okay. Let's check the website with the phone. They have a chat here. Oh, no. No one's there. They're not answering. Okay. Third option. I could find someone's mom or dad, but I don't know their names. That is too difficult. Let's call the restaurant. Hi there, the restaurant Taquito? Are you next to a judo school, right? Yeah, I just called because the school is not picking up the phone and there's an emergency. My brother is just 8 years old and his class is about to end. My mom and I can go there to pick him up and the school closes. We wonder if you could just let the school know so they stay there with my brother. Yes, you can go and tell them. Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you. That idea did work. Great.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mmejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids! Okay, so now we are diving into a new concept, the modal verb could. And what is could? Is a way of expressing a desire for suggestions or solutions in a challenging situation. Yes? See that we have these stickers here that we need to find at the end of the book. And then let me just find them. Where are the stickers? In here. You need to cut these two every time you finish an activity and you place it there. So let's go and do the first one together. Okay, modal verb could. What could I do? What is could? Could is a way, as we said, of expressing a desire for suggestions or solutions in a challenging situation. What could I do? I could call my mom or I could call my dad. Yes? And now, let me just circle them. Good. In here, we have different problems that we are going to try to guess or give new ideas to fix them, to find solutions for it. Yes? So let's see what is the first one. I forgot my friend's birthday. Okay, if I forgot my friend's birthday, what could I do? I could apologize and call her. I could apologize and call her. That is what I could do. Yes, I could apologize and call her. Then, if, my book is broken, what could I do? I could use tape and fix it. I could use tape and fix it. That's good. And then for the next one, I lost my house keys. I could call my mom and tell her. I could call my mom and tell her. Yeah, so you can see that these are my solutions, but you could find your own ideas and write your possible good answers. Yeah, so let me just get them closer to you. I could apologize and call her. That is for if I forget my friend's birthday. Yes. If my book is broken, I could use tape and fix it. And if I lost my house keys, I could call my mom and tell her. Yeah? So this is it. Very well done. Okay? What do you have to remember this time? Remember that could is the verb we use to give ideas, express suggestions, or desires for challenging situations. Good job. Remember now that it's time to cut the sticker and place it on the right spot. Bye.